Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it is that time of year, and one of my favorite fruits to freeze dry is fresh cantaloupe. And they were on sale at my local price chopper this week, so I got me 5 of them, and we're gonna freeze dry a bunch of it. So, let's see what it looks like on the inside. Oh yeah, they look good. I'm gonna get these seeds out. It's gonna be a quick video. I mean, how much can I show you on chopping up cantaloupe? Alright, let's cut those into some slices. Alright, get that peel off of those. We're just gonna, well, we don't want to get any of those seeds in there if we can help it. And then cut those in nice little chunks. Throw them on our tray. A bonus for the preparers, they get to eat as I go. Nice and sweet. Alright, I got a bunch of these to do, so I will be right back. Okay, there we are. Just took a matter of minutes. We started out with 5 cantaloupes. I put 1.5 on each tray of my 3 trays from my 4 slot machine. You know I use that for a slot for other things. Actually, something I'm going to throw in there with this load I'm going to do tonight and record tonight. So we end up with an extra half an cantaloupe. I'll pop this in the fridge and we'll be eating that for breakfast tomorrow morning. So I'm going to get these in the freezer, get them frozen solid. Once they're frozen solid, they'll go into the freeze dryer. Next time you see them, they'll be coming out. I'll see you then. All right, here we go. 40 hours plus in the freeze dryer. And we got all that beautiful cantaloupe. And I had a sneak peek taste of one of those just to make sure we're drying. They are good. So let's get them all packaged up. All right. We got those bagged up. You're going to need to move quick. You need to move quick when it's humid like today, because those will start absorbing humidity pretty quick. So we're going to move straight on to putting our 300cc O2 absorber in there and getting those Ziplocs shut. Get them out of the atmosphere. All right. Got those all zipped shut. So let's get our heat sealer out. Actually, while that's heating up, let's go ahead and do some taste tests on these. A nice thick piece. Let me show you. What do you think of that? Oh man. It just dissolves in your mouth. So good. Oh yeah. That is a beautiful treat. The trick with cantaloupe, I find, is what you start off with. So when you buy your cantaloupe, make sure you got a nice, sweet, fresh cantaloupe, not one that's still green on the inside. Because whatever you freeze dry is going to taste like what that fresh one tastes like. And these are perfect. I really enjoy those. One of my favorite fruits to freeze dry, that and grapes. I love grapes too. All right, let's wait for this light to go out. Should be getting close now. There we go. And let's get that heat seal on there. Get these ready. Get these done, I'll be right back. There we go. So we'll leave these sit out for day or two just to make sure everything stays nice and sealed. I don't have no problems with that heat sealer. It does a great job. And then we'll put them away for long-term food storage. So I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching. Try you some cantaloupes.